The homie Smoke.
Already.
Them brought me out to Chicago.
Chi-town. We gotta say it every time.
Chi-town.
Every time.
Out here
nigga.
day drinking.
For real, we turning.
What we finna do next? About to go to the room. We haven't been to the room
We
yet.
haven't been to the room yet. We definitely about to check into that room. Definitely checking
Check into the room. Finna roll up.
We definitely gonna roll up as we get to the room. That's as we do that.
Yeah. And then
Room. You know, see what it do.
we got a boat ride.
Get situated.
We got a boat
and
ride.
then that boat ride, baby.
Yeah, some
That
player
boat
shit.
ride. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be dark. It's gonna be a little light. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Some sexy shit. You know what I mean?
It's nice out here, man. We like this. I like Chi-town.
Hell yeah, Chi-town, baby.
It's dope, man.
That shit is definitely dope. We downtown too.
Yeah,
bro.
man. We can definitely get the hang of this. Definitely get the hang of this. Ain't that right, Shirley?
Yes.
Yeah.
What he said.
Yeah, I love that house. We out here in Chicago. Every time I say Chicago, I feel I want to say Chi-town.
Say it, man.
Yeah, we in Chi-town. I'm hand holding the GoPro because I left my accessories. So it don't matter because it's a wide angle lens. So we good. Yep. Handheld action. We straight. We in the Chi. Just ate good. We what Mexican restaurant we went to?
I don't even remember.
Because I asked her.
You asked the name.
I asked her how to say it. She said, I think she said Mercadito or Mercadito.
I don't know the proper.
Right, you gotta say it with that Mexican. You know what I'm saying?
The proper way.
I think it was Mercadito.
Mercadito. Or in there somewhere. By American eyes. It's in there somewhere.
Tacos was banging.
Bang bang.
Margaritas was
bussin'.
Tacos was bussin'. Margaritas was bussin'. And now we walking. Yeah.
That was bussin'.
No. Hey.
With the three buses.
Yeah.
Not two buses.
I heard it's good luck when the bird shit on you though.
It hasn't given me luck yet. I done been in the middle of the ocean.
Come on, y'all got 8 seconds. It's different out here though. I like it though. I like it. A little different. It's still a little Cleveland vibes because we're in the Midwest. So I'm fucking with it. Bustin'. That is a good sign when you see a bar in the lobby.
People are kicking it.
I know. Why is it so many people? There's a lot going on. Taste of Chicago. This little lobby bar is not bad. This bad. Oh shit.
Go ahead, I got it. Go ahead.
You got it? I ain't mean to have you open the room door.
It's nice. Got a little couch.
It's a little sectional.
This remind me of the Westin a little bit. Remember I had the little section on there?
It do remind me of the Western.
I like it.
Now look, it could have been in the adjoining room.
I told you that. Oh, we high. High.
We fried. Died and laid to the side, nigga. We out this bitch. About to go to the water, man. We finna get baptized. We're going to the water, baby. We're going to the water. That water. finna be a good vlog, man. This is J Man Show, man. We out here. It's a community effort.
It's definitely teamwork makes the dream work.
If y'all wondering why we walking down the stairs in the parking garage, Miss Quickly right here. Don't fuck with the elevators. She don't mess with elevators.
But we support ourselves.
Yeah.
That's what friends are for.
That's what we said. It's a community effort, man. Here at the J Man Show, we support everyone.
We support
Through
everybody.
good times.
Yes. And bad times. We'll be on your side. Hey. That's what friends are for. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
I like little one-word things though.
This is cool because I could just hold it down by my waist and it's right at my face. Bars. You heard that, Queen? She hear everything. Hey, she really do hear everything.
I thought about that too.
Right.
Like I was close.
We out here, man. It's a beautiful day
It is a nice day.
in Chi-Town.
And we was thinking it was gonna be like super cold.
Yes, perfect.
We thought it was.
My real hair.
This is promising for the boat ride, even though that is on water.
But the boat is that's gonna be different.
But that's gonna be even better though.
And it's gonna be later too. Ain't gonna be no sun out.
But well, I thought it was during the sun. Sun go down to like 9.
Hey, well, it's gonna be going down. I'm all I'm saying.
Yeah, we got a sunset boat ride.
Into the boat ride, the sun should be going down. For like
Yeah.
Sunset boat ride.
So yeah, so right. Yeah. I know I'm gonna have my hoodie. That's why I know some long sleeves.
I always walk behind you.
No, it's cool.
Always. It's annoying.
Maybe you want me to stop for something.
The protection in front. But somebody can keep back.
But then I asked her, like, if somebody behind me and they just grabbing all on their booty, what I'm gonna do?
Scream. I'm a scream.
What if you had, would y'all watch, not a podcast, I don't know what you would call it, but like little video clips, right? Put together. I don't know what that is. But of people, like, and it would be called Glad I Met You, right? And you would go around, like kind of how you do like in first person, but meeting people, like how we just walk past other people.
Yeah.
Have you ever thought of it?
Like
So-
interviewing people?
Yeah, like random
just
people. So
say
like if
how
I
you
just
doing.
stop, you see that couple that was right there, because I be observing shit. Remember how we was at Blue Point, we could interview that one couple we was next to?
Yeah, I like it.
We just walked past this couple, they wasn't even talking to each other.
So what you was trying to say
I
to
would have been
them?
like, hey, my name is such and such.
How you doing?
I got a such and such,
Man,
whatever.
your brain longer than the pictures on my arm.
It wrapped around too.
You seen that shit? No, go ahead.
Whatever we call it, I have a series or something called Glad I Met You. And then once you leave to tell them that you're
Glad I met
doing
you.
something like, you know what, beautiful couple, I just thought I'd stop by and ask like how long you guys been together, like you know, you might find some interesting shit. Then you see as soon as we walked past, the waiter dropped the glass. He looked down like he was surprised he dropped that shit like, oh.
I did not notice
I would've
that.
stopped
I
that.
promise I didn't notice
I
that.
don't think I noticed that either.
I would have stopped him and I would have been like,
Oh, they got the arts down there too.
Right.
I knew it. I had a feeling we wasn't really supposed to be doing nothing crazy.
the thing we ain't come a blazing.
Did.
Oh yeah, they looking for niggas.
Right.
Shirley?
I said it again.
Hey.
Shirley.
Do y'all think that would be interesting to meet people?
That's because he keeps calling you out on it now.
No, I
He
wouldn't
keep
say
calling right. He keep calling you
Stop
out.
it,
That's
Shirley.
what it's like.
No, I wouldn't say
You gotta relax. You gotta relax.
Shirley a low-key comedian though.
No, I don't know.
at times.
She
You know what
is,
though,
man.
when
She'll
Shirley-
be
when
funny.
she-
I'd be laughing
When she
every
say
second.
funny shit, I definitely give her props.
You definitely what?
I give you your props.
Oh yeah.
But she
you
be
do,
saying
'cause
some
I'm not
funny shit
that often,
though. But it's not like fun. Okay, it's not like funny like
I
cracking joke funny.
I'll take that.
She just naturally like
Definitely that.
okay, silly.
She is oblivious
She a
funny.
goober.
At times.
Goober
Is he
like,
down there
I
fishing?
swear, right.
He
That's
got
the
his ass
thing.
down there. He trying to fish.
I am not no damn Cooper.
You are just like Reach's sister. That's like Reach's
Nah,
sister.
she not. Shirley ain't as gooberish.
No, she's not as gooberish. No, I ain't.
Gooberish.
But no, Shirley do be like, I be like, nah, Shirley.
She-
Like, before I could even say like it's like soon as she say it, she know that she
I
can
knew
say
you
something. She's
know it.
like, shut up.
Yeah.
I know.
I used to call her airhead, but
Oh, see, well, yeah.
She be like, shut up. Soon as you say it,
or you
she
say
already know.
astronaut.
Nigga, oh, this is a little steep.
The sun is beaming.
Y'all want to chill down here, or y'all want to walk down there where there's nobody at?
And they got an angle. See how you
Oh,
how you can walk?
Yeah, I like it.
Oh yeah, this is dope. It's all automatically like slanted down.
Yeah.
This is cool.
That sun is beaming.
I'm about to say the sun is big. We gotta get it some shade.
Be careful now. Be careful.
This is nice.
You want to sit under the tree right here?
Yeah, right here. Ooh, this is cool.
What y'all say? Listen, let's take a seat.
This is cool.
This is a little bit. This is I ain't gonna say a little bit. This is definitely better than the Cleveland River.
Yeah,
This river got some color to it. Our shit is like black.
and gray.
Look, they be kayaking on our river too,
I
but
would
that shit
kayak.
I would not do that on.
Not in Cleveland.
I wouldn't do it on Lake Erie. Not in the flats.
I would do
Nah, hell no. You smelled that water?
I said you smell that water.
Last time we was down there, you bet what? You said would you jump in that water for $1,000? I said no, maybe $10,000. This water,
Maybe 10,000.
you could give me $1,000. I'll jump in this shit.
Yeah, but you actually gonna jump in that for a
As
stack,
long as I
though.
can jump in and hop right back out.
For a stack? Not bad. Yeah, that's important. So that's another process. That's exercise. That's clearly Oh, we gotta be on the elevator for this shit, cause ain't nobody about to hit
Yeah,
them
you
damn
finna hit 32 flights.
Hell no.
Finna go to this boat ride. Ladies take it forever.
Not me.
No, I was
Justin
Wow.
took forever.
Jackie, no, I was ready.
Wow.
I was ready.
That wasn't even, I was ready to go.
That's
You
crazy.
was the one. I don't like this, and he walked back to the
Okay.
I was waiting on you.
I ain't never left the room.
But you went back
for
for
the
change.
15th
though.
time.
Y'all don't know what it takes.
Nigga said I
I never left the
You don't know what
room.
it takes to be a Scorpio. Okay.
Yeah, that's
Who was Scorpio? I ain't no Scorpio.
Sad.
Don't
It's
act
sad.
like that.
Yeah, you gotta get it
Y'all
right.
close though. Y'all related.
I want to what type of NBA? It look like it's a basketball tournament happening. It's a lot of tall people. I see a lot of tall people. Definitely jumping. Jumping, man. Look at the lobby though. Lobby look crazy.
Do they get free drinks?
Look like a bunch of refugees. We out here though. Got it.
Oh, I ain't think you came back.
Got it. It's just me.
Is it raining?
Now you tripping. You tripping. Y'all know where we walking to? Y'all got the walking directions? We walking, man. Parking is crazy out here. I had no idea. First off, it cost us like $50 just to get to Chicago.
But it say 32 minutes.
What
we
the
gotta put
fuck?
some pep in our step.
Oh. We need to walk quicker.
Them tolls make you not even want to travel to this city. That was ridiculous.
So keep it going. Walk quickly.
We going straight?
Yeah.
And no buildings are allowed east of this Lakeshore Drive.
Peoples.
Hey.
So I got a little bit of battery. I got enough battery to tell everybody that we on the wrong boat. What boat we supposed to be on?
Shaquita.
It's supposed to be no kids. You see that little kid over there?
Supposed to be on some romantic, no kids.
See that little kid? We ain't supposed to be no kids over here. We on the wrong boat. Nice views and everything, but we on the wrong boat. It's supposed to be sexy vibes. Look at how everybody dressed, man. Look at it. It's supposed to be grown and sexy vibes, man. No grown and sexy.
We are. Everybody else ain't.
Oh well.
So the John Hancock was built in 1969. You can't really see it much, but I do want to just talk about it. It kind of looks like an island with trees real low here. That is our James Jardine water filtration plant, and it is the largest water filtration plant in the world.